Yo, what is up, guys? My name is Tyler, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple exploit. And it should take around 10 minutes. That is the goal, to just get you executor, get it running fast, and get to it. So the first thing we are going to need, if you don't already have these installed, is fast colored text box. Fast colored text box DLL. All the links will be in the description. You're just gonna want to download that, and then the We Are Devs API. It's right here. We Are Devs API.dll. Once you have that, make sure you have Visual Studio 2019. Make sure you have this. It's what you're gonna need. And then once you have all that done, open up Visual Studio 2019, create new project, make sure it's, or if you don't have all these out yet, the recent projects, you can type in Windows Form App, and then make sure it's the .NET framework, and then click on that. If those aren't showing up, you have to make C#, Windows, and desktop. Click next. You can name it whatever you want. This one's going to be called Simple Exploit. And then you can choose, make sure it's in, you can do whatever framework. I suggest one of the latest two. I'm just going to do the latest one. Just create that, and let's get started. To save some time, what we want to do first, go to references, add reference, and if you don't already have your DLLs in, you can go to browse, and then downloads, and then you'll find the We Are Devs API and the Fast Color Text Box API. You're gonna want to add those. You can shift click to add multiple at once, I think. Then once those are in, select them, add them. Shoot, I actually need to download that. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, I got it downloaded, and instead of shift clicking, you do control and then click both of them and then add them. And then that should select them, click OK. And then you can close that back up. Click back on the form, look at appearance, form border style, click none. We're gonna have this be like a dark theme exploit, so we're gonna change the back color to 30, 30, 30. Make a nice grayish black color. Gonna go to the toolbox, grab a panel. Try to make it on the top part. This is where the users are gonna be able to drag and move this around. It's also where the minimize and exit buttons are gonna be. So then we're going to make this color a little bit lighter, so 45, 45, 45. This will be like the base color for like the buttons and stuff. And then double click on that. And then there's also going to be a download to a file that has all the code that we're going to use. So highlight the movable form, copy it, minimize that since we're going to come back to it. Go under public partial class and enter and do that. Paste it. Then you're gonna get 4 errors. All you're gonna need to do, right click on the error using system runtime stuff, and it'll fix all the errors. Once you're done with that, click back onto the panel at the top. Go to the what's it called? The events or the lightning bolt. Click on mouse down for movable mouse down. And we can just go ahead and check that really quick. And yep, nothing else you can't drag, but once it's on the top, you can. So next, we're gonna go ahead and make the title and the exit and minimize buttons. So you can do label, bring it up top, type in your text. Oh, you're gonna need to click back on the properties section. Go to text, type in simple or the name of your exploit. I'm just gonna do something like this. I just like doing this kind of weird font for my exploits because it just looks kind of cool, not gonna lie. You can set the text to whatever fits you best. I'm just gonna do that. You can also copy your label. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the middle. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead, grab a button. Make it to fit about the whole width. Change the text. Change the text to X. And the font size to something where it fits. So maybe 22. Yeah, you can maybe even go a little bit bigger. 24. Yeah, seems like 24 is going to be the max. And then you're going to want to go to flat style and then click flat. And if you still have the border, you might not, you might go to flat appearance, click on the plus, border size, and 0. That should create your button. Copy that, paste the button, drag it right next to it, and put an underscore or a hyphen. Just depends on what you need. So yeah, well, we're gonna go double click on the X button, type application dot exit, and just with the endings. And then we're gonna double click on the minimize button, and okay, and once we are in the code for the button, so double click, type in this dot window state equals form window state. Oh my gosh. And then end thingy. We have an error. Why are we getting errored? Oh. Why are we getting errored? Okay, give me a second. Okay, I am dumb. All we needed to do was put minimized. Once we are done with that, we can go ahead and start it. Give it a second to load, and we can grab it, drag it around. We're gonna make sure you can grab it on the name. That's what we're gonna do next. Minimize, open it back up, and close it. Alright, great. Now we are gonna go ahead and add the fast colored text box and the buttons. Oh, also, if you want to make sure to move, you can move it around. You can move the form around from the name. All you need to go lightning bolt, mouse down, and form movable mouse down. Okay. Now go to toolbox, type in fast colored text box, drag it onto your workspace. You can make it the whole width. But we're gonna do something cool with the buttons at the bottom, so let's give it a bit of room. And then go back to properties, back color. Like I said, we're gonna use this color up here again, so 45, 45, 45. And then that thing. Indent back color. We're also gonna go ahead and make that, no, we're gonna make that darker, so like 30, 30, 30. No, that's a little bit too dark. 40, 40, 40. Okay, so last thing, we have an annoying, is it this? Yeah, it's the service lines color. You can make that like white, but I prefer having it on the same color as either that or the line over there. Okay. So now scroll back up to text, not name, appearance, text. You can use this arrow, open it up. And then you can just type a welcome message. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick and then cut back. Once you have your welcome message, you can then go under miscellaneous, misc. We're going to call it misc. Scroll down till you find language. It's going to say custom. And then click Lua. That'll just give your exploit like the colors when you put in the script. Okay. Now what we want to do, make buttons. So let's copy these buttons up here, bring them down, make them a bit bigger. How many buttons do we want? Chat? Yeah, chat. Let's do 5. Copy that. 1. Oh, actually, don't copy that. First, change the back color to, actually, we don't want to do that. Change it to standard. Actually, no, we don't. We want to change it to pop-up. Change the flat style to pop-up. Oh, why do these still have borders? Okay. Maybe these need to be flat. And then, there we go. Just didn't have the right colors. So we're going to do something special with the buttons that not a lot of people do. Surprisingly, I think it's really cool though. So we can do copy that button, paste it once, twice. That's the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Okay, so we're going to bring this button over to the side. And then space these out nice and evenly. Okay. So this button right here is going to be our execute button. So what I like to do for this is, you can do Windows period or just Google some emojis. Oh, yeah, we do the play button. Just like that. And it'll show up an emoji. We can come back, make the text bigger later, so yeah. And then maybe make the text white, because that'll look better. And then this is going to be the load file, so not that one. Which one do we like? We like this one, don't we? Yes, we do. This one's going to be our save file, so we're gonna do like a mailbox. No, mail like that. Yes. And then for this, this is the clear, so that should be simple. No and no, like that. And for the last, the inject button, we type inject, and then we have the DLL logo thing. Okay, so I actually want to do this for all of the text, so I'm going to shift click on everything, change the fore color to white. Yes, that looks so much better. Okay. We're gonna shift click on all of those. Where is our font? Okay. We're gonna make all the sizes 18. Oh my god. Nope, nope, no, 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 nope, nope, nope. We are actually not gonna mess around with that. Just gonna unshift all of those and then go one at a time. Actually, these might be good. Oh, unless we can make them all bigger to 36. That would be great. Can we make these all 36? Also, guys, if you have any questions, I will be responding to my Discord and comments on this video as well. These are not aligned, so yeah, if you have any questions, just shoot me a DM on the Discord, add me, join the Discord too, link in the description. Actually, I don't have a Discord for TJ Exploits yet. We're gonna make that after this video goes live, so click the link in the description to join, ask questions about any of our products, and yeah. Also, copy your first label. We're gonna make it so people can't copy your exploit. Well, they can, but then you can just add like any like stuff that you want to market with your, like I'm just gonna use my Discord for example. Then just make this text small, like maybe 12, maybe even smaller, just so, because in my personal opinion, these look kind of ugly, so I just like making them small, putting them right there. And yeah, so pretty much all we have left to do is the buttons, and then we're done. Alright, so first, always go back up to the using section. Using, we are devs API and thingamabobber. Okay, and then open this back up. We're gonna start with load file. Which one is our load file? It is this one. So paste it in the middle. No errors. Yup. No errors. Good stuff. Are we using system.io? Maybe we should add that just in case. Yeah, just in case. That'll help us later on. Just in case we get any errors. Save file. This is a real simple one. Wait. We pasted it in the wrong one. That is not good. Okay. Copy that. Get rid of that. Paste it. Okay. So, this is the load file. Okay. There we go. Now, we want the save file. So, copy that. Save file. And no errors. Clear text. Oh, shoot. I forgot how to do this real quick. Let's just do the execute button first. And I put this in here because I'm dumb. So, yeah. You can either just type that out yourself or paste it. Oh, why are we getting errored? Oh, I know. Okay. I'll be right back once I find out why we are getting errored. Okay, I figured it out. All we need to do is go up to the public partial classes and under public constant int, you're going to want to press enter, type in exploit, API, oh, you gotta put a space, API equals new exploit API, and the brackets, and the plinga-blonger. Okay, where are we getting errored? Still in fast color text box. Is that it? Okay. Okay, all we need to do is fix our errors. And then our inject button. Okay. That is very simple. All we need to type is... Okay, so all we need to type is API.launch... Oh my god. Launch exploit, brackets, thingamabobber. And honestly, I think we might be done. Sheesh. Okay. Let's start it. Just take a quick run through. And yep, that's why we added the Lua. We can type in here if we type something. Oh, we didn't make the clear button. But if we type in like print hello, and then we can save it, right? Yep, as a text file. Let's go ahead, type like blah blah. We saved it. We can load a file. Oh, wait, let's actually make sure that works so I'm not scamming you. You can load a file and it's right there. Minimize, exit, and let's check. And yep, it's saved to our desktop. That is perfect. Just gonna go ahead and delete that. Okay, so all we need to do is the clear button and then we are done. So let me just do something real quick and we'll get the clear button done and I will be out of your house. Okay, so now all we are gonna do, we're gonna click on our clear button, type in fast colored text box 1 dot text, nope, not tet, haha, funny. Okay, equals and quotations and thingamabobber and no issues found. What this is gonna do is it's gonna change the text in the text box to whatever is in the quotations. So like for example, if we had your mom inside the brackets and started it, we would get cleared it and your mom. Okay, we got your mom. Nice. So that is why that happens. So we're just going to leave it like that, and we are done. So yeah. Also, I am going to, if you guys are done, you just want a simple exploiter. Wait, let's just check our buttons. Should give us an error. Yep. Execute. Yep. And yeah, everything's working. So I am done. If you guys want to stick around for some formatting stuff, make your exploit look better, you can. I'm going to be doing some like rounded buttons and stuff. Just so you guys know that this is not clickbait. Sorry, it did not take 10 minutes. It took around 20, but that's fine. Anything for a good executor. And we're also going to be adding a icon. So stick around for that. And some images for a logo if you want. So yeah. If this is the end for you and you don't want to learn any formatting, you can just head out. Nice knowing ya. And peace. Alright, so my formatters. What we want to do... Oh, poop. Oh, poopity poop. Where am I? So to get a image, we can also get like GIFs and stuff like that. But those are just kind of hard to get. So we're not going to bother with those. To get a logo, we're going to want an image... a picture box. That is what. I'm dumb. Okay, picture box. Make it a square. Put it in the corner. Size mode, stretch image. Okay, remember that that's there. And if you already have a logo and you just want to use that one, you can load it into the text box, which I'm going to show you how to do. But I'm just going to go ahead and download a cool, simple S really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got my logo downloaded. We're going to click on the arrow, choose image, local resource, import, go to your downloads, and click your logo. As you can see, it showed up right there. You can size it, make it bigger. Yep, but we're going to just keep it how it can, because that's all we need. You can like move it over here wherever you want, but we're just going to keep it on the left side. And so yeah, also to just make sure we can drag around from there, go to the lightning bolt, mouse, for movable mouse down, and let's see how it looks in the actual thing. Yep, looks good. And we can move around. So yeah, close out of that, and I think we're gonna try to get rounded stuff. Rounded stuff, sounds good? Yes, sir. Alright, let me just figure out how to do this since this is all kind of new to me. So yeah, let me just get the code for that. Should also be in the link below. Okay, I'm finally back because the thing didn't have the code copied into it, so I had to type it out all myself, which was a pain. So what we're gonna do, it's in the YTvid sample exploit code file. We're gonna copy this. This goes under public partial class, paste it, give that one more space. And then if I have initialize component in here, okay, right there, initialize component, this goes under it, just like that, and no errors. So if we start it, hopefully we get rounded border, and there we go. love to see it. It's so clean too. I love it. Hopefully you guys do too. We went around to buttons. Let me think. Let me think how to do that. Okay, let me think how to do that, and then I'll be right back. Sadly, I could not figure out how to do these buttons, but there is one last thing we can do to make this look cooler. We can add an icon. So, remember the image you put up there in the top left of your exploit? We can do that, and we're gonna go to Google Chrome. Remember that file. Go to PNG to ICO, Convertico, and you can click that, upload your image, then it's a very fast one. I love how fast this is. Converts it right away. You can click out. Well, first we need to close that. Click on the form and go to properties, scroll down, go to the icon, click the what is it called? The 3 dots, and then click on your converted icon. Now, once that is done, to make this look even better, so where, like, if you drag it onto your desktop, like right there, it'll still be there. Okay. So, project, simple split properties, and default icon. There's other icons, but we're gonna go to browse, downloads, and icon right there. So now if we start it up again, you can see in the taskbar at the bottom we have the S logo. And now we are going to go ahead and build our solution. Give it a second. Sometimes it takes a while. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, I'll cut back when it's finished. Okay, it is finished, and now we can go to here to where it says, where it shows you your file location, copy all the way up until the name of the .exe file. Go to there, open your file manager, and drag that onto your monitor, and just paste in that right there, and there is your exploit. And we open it up, and there it is. Alright, so now if you want to share your exploit with friends, we have the simple split. All we need to do is go back to the main file, take a copy of this, and copy it, go onto our desktop, and paste it. Now we have that, and if you want to share it, send to, compress zip. That'll give you the zipped version. Just make sure you go so nobody can copy it. Make sure you remove all the SLN files. So like that. We don't want that. So actually we can just delete that folder. We don't want the configs either. Don't want any of these stuff. You can keep the icon in there. You don't want the project especially, because then they can just load up your project. Bin, debug. This is just all the things. You can copy that, go to here. and paste it right there. That should still open, right? Okay, no, it won't. We can't move it there. Simple split. I think you can move it here though, right? Okay, bye. Bye. What? I'm not even playing a game. Okay, so it's gonna have to stay there, but people know where to look to get it. And we can open it. It just has to be with the DLLs. So actually, I think all we need to do, we can just copy these. Hopefully this works. We can make a new folder called SS. Paste this in here. And open it, and yeah. So that is all you need to run it. Let's see if we can remove both these and still run it. Yeah, we can. Gives us the error that clears the text. Can save the file. Load the file. And if we had it injected, it would inject. Okay. So, and then instead you can zip this folder. We don't really need that one, but you can keep it anyway. You zip this folder instead. And then you're done. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to roll the outro, and peace.